Now here is how you can look at a spam emails on the iPhone. So let me show you exactly where you can find it. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first step is to, of course, locate the Mail app on our phones. So it's this one right here. Obviously, you can have different mail clients, like download it from the App Store. But I assume that a lot of people use the Apple Mail. So we're going to get inside and you can see we have some inbox, like the emails were received and so on. But in order to see some different categories, what we have to do is to click on the back arrow in the top left. Go in here and we can browse all of the mail boxes, right? So in my case, I have iCloud as well as Gmail added both into the app. So the first section of like the folders applies to both combined email addresses, and then we have it separately. So for example, if I want to check out the spam folder, which is part of the iCloud email, I go here to this section and find the junk folder, right? So it's not technically called the spam, but it's called the junk, and these are the messages, the emails, which, you know, are like the spam related stuff. But if you want to access it on the other email, you can see I have the Gmail address added, and I also have some junk emails, right? So as you can see, some of them which I probably subscribe to, I don't know, whatever, but it's seemed or deemed to be in the junk spam folder, so this is where you can find it. Keep in mind that you can always click on edit in the top right and make sure that all of the things that you want to see are selected, because as you can tell, there are so many folders which you might want to look up or see, right? So as you can tell, there are the unread emails and attachments, follow-ups, muted, today, draft, right? And the point is that if you don't see the junk, make sure that it is selected when you go to the edit, because otherwise it will not even show up on your mailbox. So that's kind of important as well. But that's it from me. I hope that I was able to show you where you can find it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss more, and I'll see you later.